My student once said, Coach Glina, my gloss paint looks thick but dries dull. I smiled and asked, which thickener did you use? Listen, if you're using the wrong thickener, you are killing your gloss paint before it even dries. Today, I'll show you the differences between liquid and powder thickener and exactly what to buy if you want that mirror-like shine. Yeah, most beginners, yes, paint producers think that thickeners, even professionals, you understand, they think that thickeners is just to make your paint thick. But in the gloss paint, thickeners controls one, how your paint spreads, if you're not aware. Two, how it leaves, you understand, and whether it will shine or dry dull, you understand. So if you use a powder thickener that drags or dry too fast, your glossness will fade. But with the right liquid radiocologic modifier, your gloss stays shining and smoothing. And I'm talking about water-based paint. Yes. So let's talk chemistry. There are three major thickeners for gloss paint that all aspiring or already paint manufacturer must use. One, your PU thickener. Yes. So now, this thickener is a liquid-based thickener. You understand? It is best for high gloss water-based paint, and it makes your paint flow control, gloss retention, and anti-sagging, and is the best choice for glassy-like finishes. If you're not aware today, I'm telling you a great secret. Number two, HASE thickener. Yes, this thickener is also a liquid-based thickener, but best for medium gloss or semi-gloss budget paint. Yes, and it controls the high pH level and is a good balance between cost and performances. And then the third is the HEC. Of course, you understand, we know it, our cellulose. This is the powder thickener, you understand, and is best for emulsion paint, texture paint, water-based paint, name it, but too much kills glossiness. Yes, so avoid in premium gloss formulation, you understand. HEC is common but not very good when it comes to some formulation, you understand. So if you want your gloss water-based paint to look like the big brand paint like Beggar Paint, Deluxe Paint, all those paints, then you know that you have to use your PU or your HEC, you understand. Now, how to buy this thickener in the market? See, the next time you are in the chemical market, speak like an expert. Ask them for the right thickener using the correct name, you understand, for them to be able to sell to you properly, you understand. So you can say this to the seller: I need PU thickener for high glossy paint, and if they're not aware of this, they know that they don't have it, you understand. Or you tell them, do you have liquid radiological modifier for water-based gloss paint? You understand? I want a thickener that keeps glossy shiny, not dull. You can also achieve this with your powder thickener, like I said, you understand. So once you start buying like an expert, you will start selling like one, two, you understand. So thickener is not just one piece of the shine puzzle. No. Okay, right. Here is my paint shine checklist from Glina Artistic Paint Education. Let me give you some basic knowledge. One, acrylic binder must be hard and glossy, not economical. Please take note. And then two, wetting agent, which are your Jennifer, you understand, helps pigment lay flat. Use it rightfully. Deformer removes bubbles that flatten shines. So learn how to use that as well. While the titanium dioxide, you have to use the high grade. Then fillers, don't overload with chalky or calcium carbonate. most of the times you don't need it, but learn how to use it the right way. Thickener always go with liquid PU or HSC for glossiness, like I said. So now, gloss paint is chemistry and control, not just color. Take note, if you want to learn the full gloss paint shine formula, then drop a comment below, shine formula, please, or DM me. You understand? I am Coach Glina, your paint mentor. I will see you in the next training. And remember, your paint isn't thick enough until it is smartly thickened. So you have to learn the right way on how to control your thickness, viscosity, or velocity, not just because you want to achieve this thickness. You ask yourself, is it a matte paint or is it a satin paint? Learn how to mix the thickness properly. So bye for now.